Hey friends, I'm here today with the ninth experiment of the networking lab, and the topic is IPv6 static route configuration. Already we have done IPv4 static route configuration. The topology is given and the IPv6 addresses which are to be given is given, and then examine the network and evaluate the need for static routing, configure IPv6 static and default routes, and then verify connectivity. We need to do three things. So first let me discuss something about IPv6. Why do we need IPv6? First of all, we need to understand one thing. IPv4 was only for 32 bits. So as the network increased, there was need for more networks. And then we found out one other IPv6 and it's 128 bits. And then 4 bits represents a single hexadecimal digit, 32 hexadecimal values. And then here you can see one thing. See, here when we have successive zeros, instead of that zeros, we can have that colons. You can see here we have three successive zeros. So instead of this two zeros, we are putting like three successive this zeros. We are putting two colons. So we can skip writing those zeros. And then there are three types of IPv6 addresses: unicast, multicast, and anycast. Today we will be doing about doing unicast type. And then let me go to the protocol, and this is the thing which we need to do in the IPv6 protocol. First we need to go to the interface and IPv6 address. I'll just teach you here. So once we go to the topology, we can understand it better. So I have created the topology and I have assigned the IP address to all the three. See, I have given IP address 2001 DB811F, and then the IPv6 gateway is the router's interface. This GIG01 interface I have given as IPv6 gateway. In the same way, you need to assign IP address to all the PCs. See, in the IPv6 column, IPv6 address, you need to assign the addresses in the same way for PC0 also we will be doing it. So after that, when we go to the router, first we know the steps, right? Same as we did in IPv4. First we will go into enable, then conft or configure terminal. That takes us into the configure terminal. After that, we will give the interface, of which interface we need to give the IP address. So first I'm doing it for GIG 0/1. So interface GIG 0/1. After that, I'm giving the address as IPv6 address 2001 DB81 colon 1, and then the double colon 1/64, and no shutdown. In the same way I need to give for GIG 0/0. You can see I've given interface GIG 0/0 IPv6 address. I've given it, and then no shutdown. After that, for routing, what we need to do is, first of all, you need to mention IPv6 unicast bar routing. After that, we need to give IPv6 route, then the address to which we wanna send the packet. So first of all, from PC1 we need to send to PC0. So we are giving this address here, and then the interface exit interface is given as GIG 0/0's IP address. In the same way, when we need to send an packet from PC1 to PC2, we are giving the network address of the PC3, this interface, and then I'm giving the exit interface as that GIG 0/0. And then after that, we'll go to this router 3, and do the same steps. First we'll do enable conft, and then go to the interface GIG 0/0. Give the IP address as A001 double colon 2/64. After that, go to the interface GIG 0/2. Give the IP address, and then again go to interface 0/1 and give the IP address. After that, no shutdown. After that, again the same steps what we followed in router 6. We need to give IPv6 unicast routing, and then DB81 colon 1/64, and then the exit interface GIG 0/0, and then IPv6 route to this network given again. So after that, same thing we need to do in router 5 also. First we are giving the IP address to the both the interface gig 0/0 and 0/1. After that, when we come to the configure terminal, IPv6 unicast routing, and then first of all for going to this network, we are giving IPv6 root 2001 db81 colon 2 double colon slash 64 and the exit interface, that is gig 0/1. In the same way, if you want to send a packet to this network also, same exit interface will be used. So let us check whether the connectivity is done or not. So you can see the packet is moving. You can see the packet is being received and sent. So we can say the connectivity is okay between PC1 and PC0. Now we will check between PC1 and PC2. So here also we can see the connectivity between PC1 and otherwise all the connectivity between all the systems are being done. So it's easy, right? Just follow the IPv4 routing protocol, just some minor changes here and there and the same thing. So I hope you understood the topology and the way we should be doing the static routing. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.